In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email via Sendgrid. We'll walk through the full process inside the Sendgrid dashboard, from choosing the right place to create your message, all the way to designing it and sending or scheduling it. By the end, you'll be comfortable sending a professional email campaign to your audience. Once you're logged into your Sendgrid account, start by looking at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find and click on the option labeled Marketing. This is where Sendgrid keeps all of its tools for sending campaigns, managing lists, and working with email designs, so we'll stay in this area for the rest of the process. Inside the marketing section, look for single sends. Click that option. Single sends are one-time campaigns, like announcements, newsletters, or promotions. In the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Create Single Send. Go ahead and click that to begin setting up a new email. The first thing Sendgrid will ask you to do is select a template. Here, you can choose from a pre-built Sendgrid design, pick one of your own saved templates, or start from a completely blank template if you want full control. If you're new or in a hurry, a pre-built Sendgrid design can save you time, since it already has a basic layout you can adjust. After you've chosen your template, select the design editor. This is the drag and drop editor that makes it easier to arrange content without needing to write any code. We'll come back to the design in a moment, but first, it's important to configure the core settings so your email sends correctly. Switch over to the Settings tab. Here, you'll fill out 3 key pieces of information. First, choose your From Sender. This should be a verified sender email that you've already set up in Sendgrid. Using a verified sender helps with deliverability and ensures your recipients recognize who the email is from. Next, enter your subject line. Try to keep it clear and concise so people understand what the email is about. Finally, under Recipients, select the lists or segments you want to receive the email. Lists are broader groups, while segments can be more targeted based on filters you've created. Once your settings are in place, move back into the design editor to design the email itself. Use the drag and drop tools to add text blocks, images, buttons, dividers, or other elements. You can click each block to edit the content, adjust fonts, colors, and spacing, and make sure the layout looks good on both desktop and mobile previews. When you're happy with your content and your settings, look for the option that says Review Details and Send. Click that to see a final summary of your campaign. Things like the subject line, sender, recipients, and a preview of the design. If everything looks correct, you have 2 choices. You can launch it immediately, which sends the email right away, or you can choose Schedule to set a specific date and time in the future. Scheduling is helpful if you want your email to arrive at a certain hour in your recipient's time zone. After you confirm, Sendgrid will handle the rest, and your single send will either go out right away or at the time you scheduled. That's the complete process of sending an email via Sendgrid using single sends.